baby. It's okay. Baby, it's just a car wash. Hey, it's a car wash, baby. It's okay, baby. It's just a car wash. That's all. It's fine. It's a car wash. They're gonna clean the truck. That's all. It's okay, baby. It's not gonna get you. Hey. Baby, it's not gonna get you. You're okay, honey. Buddy, it's just a car wash. You're okay, baby. See? It's not gonna hurt you. It's okay, buddy. Hey. Honey, it's just a car wash, baby. Daddy's not gonna let it hurt you. You're okay, see? It's just a car wash, honey. You're fine. Daddy's not gonna let it hurt you, okay? It's okay, baby. Why are you so worried about it? It's a car wash, baby, that's all. Yeah, just washing Daddy's truck. See? Yeah, it's gonna rinse it off, okay? It's not gonna hurt you. I promise, okay? It's not gonna hurt the baby. Yeah, see? It's cleaning it. Yeah, it's dirty, so it cleans it. Yeah, you hear the dryer start up? Yeah, when we pull up there, it's gonna dry it. That's all. Yeah, see? Now it's green, so we pull up and it'll dry it. Perfectly okay, buddy. See, we pull up and it dries it. See the big old dryer right there? Yeah, it's gonna dry our truck. See? You okay? No, you don't like it? Why don't you like it, baby? We're just drying our truck, that's all. It's okay. See, we can fold our mirrors back out. Here it comes. Here comes your dryer. Not scared, are you? Don't be scared, baby. Yeah, you see the big dryer? It's okay. Are you tired? Is that why you're scared? Look up here, buddy. See that one? Yeah, that's all. All done. You okay, see? It didn't hurt you at all. You okay? No? Are you traumatized? Yeah, you wanna go bye-byes? Okay, baby. Poor guy.